I'm feeling low.
What is up, kids? Dorky Dad here, and we are here for the Passholder preview day at Magic Kingdom. We are going to cram as much fun as we can in. I just feel like I'm not getting anything because, like, you can't see my facial expressions anymore, so maybe it's the eyes. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna cram as much fun into one day as we can and get a video. This may be a super long video, maybe a super short video, because we're trying to enjoy ourselves because it's been so long. I've missed this place. It's great. But I will say, this is the first time I've ever been in Magic Kingdom. I'm in front of Tony's Town Square. There ain't no one around me but my family. They won't social distance. I've tried. They won't leave me alone. It's pretty awesome. So let's go do stuff. Oh, I've missed it so much. Even through the mask, the smell of the bakery is just, I mean, they're not baking right now, but all the smells are artificially pumped in, so it doesn't matter. But oh, hello beautifuls. I will be back for you when we are on our way out the door. Yes, I will. So I didn't see any of the giant Rice Krispie treats, so on the way out I'm gonna see if they have any of those. If not, I'm just gonna buy a crap load of Rice Krispie treats because I miss them. I do. But it's good to be back. I think we have to get donuts now or something. I don't know. We're not doing actual Disney stuff. We came to Disney to get donuts and Rice Krispie treats. Aren't we great? We're gonna do stuff, I promise. Now available at Uptown Jewelers, Star Wars Millennium Falcon Pandora charm. Oh yeah. I do have to say this is the most empty that I've seen the Main Street Starbucks. It may be because of capacity, it may be because we had to wait in line outside and then come in. Social distancing, right? Perceived lower lines. I don't know. But I just want to point that out. Look at all that. Okay, so I don't know how well the camera will pick up my voice here, but if you can see these plastic dividers between each of the Starbucks lines, those plastic dividers make it nearly impossible for the person working to hear you. So everyone in here is screaming, it's loud. Just, you know, in case that is something that would concern you, something to keep in mind.
Be patient, and it's also hard with the mask in general. So when you add the plexiglass, and two people wearing a mask trying to communicate is difficult.
Yeah, exactly. So, you know, just something to think about, or, you know, something you may not have known. Hey, the Disney ducks see that everybody's back. They're like, hey, what's up? Let's go for a walk.
Look, you're here now.
I got more people.
Oh, how precious.
Disney ducks. Disney ducks. All right, 30 minutes in line at Starbucks later, we still haven't done anything fun. But you know, it's whatever. We got a day. We'll try to make a full day, hopefully. Paper straws, ew. For the first time in forever. Sorry, my terrible singing might not get copyright strike, I hope. But look at that. Look at it, it's beautiful. I've missed that crane so much. Oh yeah, there's a castle too. That's pretty great, right? Look at it, it's all of its rose gold glory. In lieu of parades and meet and greets, they are having characters ride around and wave at people. Hi! There's Eeyore and Rabbit and Piglet and a horse. And a horse pooper scooper. They've got everything here. As you can see, the lack of parades is doing nothing for social distancing because everybody crowds around the same just to see one float. Hi! Teacup, 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 teacup. There are literally only 2 other groups on the teacups.
Hello!
Are you gonna spin it?
I'm a little squished. I don't think so. You got to spin it, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll film. I got this.
Woo! Teacups! I'm not even doing it anymore.
Why you don't have a buddy? I can't do this.
All right, now I'm dizzy, so let's find something not dizzy to do. There is a 5-minute walk-on time for Winnie the Pooh. So we're doing Winnie the Pooh. And I won't get as dizzy this time.
And everyone gathered together to say,
I don't know. Whole ride's just a bunch of poo to me.
Whatever.
I am walking through Fantasyland by the carousel. Ain't nobody here. This is amazing. Because I was a germaphobe before all this started happening. So to not have to worry about people running into me, this is amazing. This is like my dream right now. The mask kind of sucks, but you know, it's whatever.
Small blip in the details of having a part that's completely almost to yourself.
Yeah, whatever she said. Time to go be foolish mortals, yeah! There ain't nobody on the Liberty Bell. It is empty. All right, YouTube, time to end the debate once and for all. In Florida, the stretching room is not an elevator. You just walk right on through. I know it looks dark and you can't tell. Which begs the question, if the stretching room is closed for stretching in Florida, what are they going to do when Disneyland opens? How are they going to do it? Because theirs is an elevator. We are stuck on Haunted Mansion, which is probably the coolest thing ever. Being stuck in front of Madame Leota, very cool. Being stuck on the ticking clock, not cool. Tick, 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 tick. It's really annoying. Just a quick bit of perspective, at 10:45 a.m., the line to get into Pecos Bill's, the quick service restaurant, is longer than it took us to get on Winnie the Pooh, Haunted Mansion combined. So, you know, do with that information what you will. If you're hungry, you're going way longer. Just in case anyone's wondering, the line for Splash Mountain was 25 minutes long. The line to get into the Splash Mountain gift shop is 4 hours. They're doing a digital queue, and it's 4 hours to wait, so keep that in mind before you come. It's crazy how in the Pirates of the Caribbean queue, when you don't have sweaty buttholes all up in your face, and they're enforcing social distancing, you can actually smell the jasmine and all that they pump into the air. It's crazy. I've never smelled them before. I've only ever smelled sweaty human beings. I can honestly say I've never done Peter Pan's Flight without a fast pass, so I've never been in here.
That's really cool.
Wow!
There's Nana.
Walkman.
4 hours later, and my wife now has the option to buy overpriced Splash Mountain merchandise.
Buying stuff. He just was like, are we really waiting in the line to buy stuff? Like,
Yeah.
what's going on?
Yeah, it's crazy. It's insane.
He's like, is this another ride? Another Splash Mountain? There's two?
It's insane. All right, for those that are interested in the merchandise, they are steadily restocking the plushes, but these are the last I see of the Funko Pops. I have one just because I have a Funko Pop collection. They have 4 or 5 more over there on that shelf thingy. I don't see any anywhere else, but I haven't been able to make it past it because there are way too many people not social distancing in here. Letting the kids get one picture in before it gets changed up. Because somebody's crazy. I think we've reached the point where I am officially melting. So we're gonna take a ride on the Jungle Cruise and we may call it a day after this. Holy hot, it is hot.
Why is that called Inspiration Falls? Wow. If you stare into those rushing waters for long enough, it will inspire you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle, that is. It's the number one reason. We are now on the
New monorail device. I mean, it's completely open air down there, but at least you don't have to see people because the corona works on eye contact. I got nothing. All right, so I realized after we got home that I have not recorded a closing for the video because we just kind of, the day just kind of ended. It was
so bad. It's so hot. I'm dying.
Yeah, I'm dying. This is a tank top, so don't judge me when you realize that it's from here up for a reason, because I have no intention of not being comfortable.
You need a shower.
Thank you, baby. I love you. So anyway, here's the quick takeaways from the Passholder preview day. 1, Dorky Dad, why are all the other YouTubers posting before you and you did it on Passholder preview day? Well, I don't have any friends, and they all have friends that are cast members. So if you're a cast member and want to be my friend, I'm a good friend. If not, she's a better friend. Not the dog. She's a great friend though. Dog's great. But no, that wasn't really a point to take away. I really need more friends. And now that we live this close, hit your boy up. Main takeaway is it is hot, like hot. Now I'm aware it's July 9th, but through September-ish, it's gonna be really hot. It's gonna, like stupid hot.
I don't think we've been to Disney in July since about 2016.
Yeah, we actually stepped down to silver passes because we weren't going in the summer and we weren't getting our money's worth. Because even when we were gold, we were like, I'm not going, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. And with the mask and all that, and just like SeaWorld, the kids were actually really well behaved with the masks. Only had to remind them about the nose every, rare occasion. I was the one that was dying, and it's because I'm fat, my ears hurt, and I'm a whiny little girl man.
You handle that.
The other thing, when we arrived, we were able to take the bus from the TTC, ticket and transportation ticket, I don't know, the TTC. You were able to take the bus from the TTC to the Magic Kingdom. When we left, they weren't running the buses. I don't know if they only do that like right at opening and right at closing, but we did have to wait a bit longer for the monorail, and the ferry boats were nowhere in sight because I would have been happy just to sit on those. It was so hot and let the breeze get me. But just a few small things. If the capacity for the Passholder preview is going to be the same as the general capacity, you won't wait more than 30 minutes for anything. Even my Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, the most I saw was like 35 minutes. And the only reason we didn't do it is because we crammed so much into one day that by the time we got our text message saying that we could go buy overpriced plushies and t-shirts that say Splash Mountain on them, we weren't going to walk back and forth on the park one more time. So that's the only reason, honestly. Yeah, see, she's holding up Brer Fox now. She loves them. I don't know. Never been in that, but yeah, she's a fan of plushes. It doesn't matter. So yeah, that's our takeaway. The other takeaway is, if you're like me, where you like, because I know where pretty much most of the stuff in the Emporium is, like by section. So if I know I want something, I'll hop in, grab it, hop out. It's not like that anymore. Be prepared to make laps around the stores because there's one-way entrance, one-way exit, and then the kids want to see everything on the way because we were looking for one shirt, and that turned into a million things. Spoiled princess. But, again, it's not that big of a deal. It's just something I noticed that maybe you want to keep in mind if you're coming on a reservation, whether you're staying at a park, coming as an annual pass holder, or just, whatever the new reservation system is, and you just got a ticket. So that's that. It's going to be a long video already, and I'm so sorry, but we had so much fun. I missed Disney World so bad. The magical place, the castle, the crane, the new paint scheme, all of it just, we needed it. We needed it a little more in our lives, and we got it. So hopefully we'll see them real soon. Thank you for watching, and as always, oh yeah, the kids are doing their own thing. So like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay dorky.
Oh my goodness, don't make me throw up. I've already had coffee. I'm closing my eyes. Nope, I haven't had enough water today for this. I can't, Martin.